New Zealand USD, we start with the daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, as we can see, we are within this move. I know the question is how deep it can go, but what we are more interested, we are more interested in the buy. Okay, and the only thing is we need to know how deep it can go before we take the buy. And in this case, we move to lower time frame forward chart. Okay, based on forward chart, if we put our line from the top to here, okay, we will see that the price is almost near to this trend line. Okay, and again, as I mentioned, based on daily chart, we are more interested in the buy. But if the price, whether from here or if the tag this line drop, the best option, we when the price come at least test this low, then from there we look for buy. This is the which we more prefer. But how about if the price start to move from here? Okay, one of the option, if the price start to move the option, we once the breakout, we get the correction, then from there we look for buy. That means if we want to buy, we prefer the price break this top, give a correction, then from there we look for buy. Okay, is there any possibility we buy within this range based on lower time frame, based on for 1 hour chart we can, if we get any trade or lower time frame, we can look for buy. Later I will explain, because there is a possibility we will have this correction for the next move up, then from there whether there is a continuation or there is a reversal. Okay, anyway, in this case we move to lower time frame. Okay, as I say, based on forward chart, I explain whether if we want to buy, the first things, whether from here if the price move up, come to this low, we look for buy, or the breakout of the trend line, give a correction above this. Then when we see the breakout above this, then we look for buy. But the thing is, how about if we get any buy setup within this range? Why? Because maybe we will have this correction for the next move up. Okay, if we refer to indicators, right now we don't have any divergence, and here as well, that means still there is a possibility we get one move up. Then any buy we get within this range, whether based on 1 hour chart or lower time frame, we can trade it. It depends on the traders. But if they get buy, as long as the price that break the top, they need to start to manage, because the possibility price come here, even tag or break, then from there reverse. Okay, anyway, we are more interested in the buy now. We want to see how we can buy, what we will get from, when the market, whether we get the move up or the price can drop. Okay, then how about the sell? Based on long term, we are more interested in the buy. Is there, and as we explained, there is a possibility the price can drop, test this low one more time. Can we trade within this range for sell? Okay, if you want to look for sell, whether the price drop from here or tag the top from, if then reverse. Okay, if you want to look for sell, if we get the correction here, we need to, when the market open, we need to look into it. Okay, then from there we need to make a decision whether we can, if we get the correction here, can we put the correction relative to this for the sell or not? Okay, that's mean when the market open, then from there we make a decision. But if the price from here tag this top, even the come to this high, any reversal, we can take it. But right now we don't have any confirmation whether we should look for sell or buy. But based on higher time frame, we are more interested in the buy, as I explained how we can look for buy. Anyway, when the market open, we will see what we will get here. Then from there we can make a decision how we're going to trade it. In this case, we just follow the chart when the market open. Then from there, if I see any update or any trade, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.